In this tutorial, we will cover CloudFormation AWS. We will see how to create 2 instances with Apache server. We downloaded the file in the previous tutorial. Let's open the file and look for the instance. 2 instances with Apache. That's the one. Okay, we described everything we see in here in the previous tutorial. All we did in here is copy this part and paste it here. Change the server from server 1 to server 2, and everything is the same. We're referring to the same security group. What we can do is create a new security group. All we have to do is copy this part and paste it here. Now we have a second security group. I'll name this one security group 2. We won't change anything in the security group. Let's change the name here to SSH HTTP2. Server 1, server 2, server 2 will refer to the security group 2. To this security group. And that's it. We'll save the file. And let's upload it and see what we have. Let's create a stack. Upload the file. Everything looks okay. So let's give it a name. DevOps. Next. We don't have to worry about the tags since we created them in the template. So next, and create a stack. Wait here and refresh. It'll take about a minute. As you can see here, we have the security group and security group 2 and security group. We have 2. We're done with those. And now it's working on server 2 and server 1. Done with server 2. And done with server 1. So we have security group and security group 2 and server 2 and server 1. And we're done. If we come here and check the instances, we will see that we have web server and web server 2. This one is connected to a security group, to this security group, which has port 80 and port 22 open. Let's see them from here. These two. This one is for server 1 and this one is for server 2. Now let's check what we have in the servers. Let's try the first one. Copy the public IP, paste it here. Looks okay. Working fine. Let's check the second one. Copy, paste it here. Amazing. Everything is working just fine. This was it for this tutorial. See you in the next one.